Hello, everybody. Today we will look at the time value of money. There are two important concepts to understand: future value and present value. So, first, we need to understand some basic concepts. These are timeline, future value, present value of lump sum, interest rate or discount rate, and maturity. Timeline shows the sequence and amount of cash flows across time. For example, here we have a timeline. The numbers at the top represent the years, and CF stands for cash flows. CF0 to CF3 shows the cash flows received at year 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively. Now let's assume that we receive $100 today. We want to know what is the future value of this $100, say after 1 year. Therefore, we will calculate the future value. This next slide shows the formula and calculations to find out the future value after 1 year, denoted by FV1. In this slide, present value is $100. Interest rate is 10%, and N represents the number of years, which is 1 year in this example. Based on these calculations, the future value is $110. So that means that $100 we receive today will be worth $110 after 1 year, assuming interest rate is 10%. If we want to calculate the future value of $100 after 2 years, we just need to adjust the equation for the number of years, which gives us a value of $121. So this is a question for all of you to test what you have learned so far. In this question, we need to calculate the future value of $100 after 4 years at the interest rate of 10%. So go ahead, pause the video, and if you need. Let's go through the answer. Using the same formula, present value is $100, interest rate is 10%, and number of years are 4. So future value of $100 is $146. Okay. Now we will move on to the present value, in which we need to find the value today of a future cash flow. If we are due to receive $110 after 1 year, we are interested to know what the value of that $100 would be today. So we use the present value formula, in which future value is discounted by the interest rate for the required number of years. In this example, $110 future value is discounted by 10% for 1 year, which gives us a present value of $100. If the same example is applied for 2 years, the present value becomes $90. So as you are increasing the number of years, the compounding or discounting frequency increases, and therefore in future value, the value increases by higher number of years, by higher number of frequency, whereas in present value formula, if the number of years are increasing, the present value will be further decreasing because of the time factor. I hope this has been beneficial for you. Thank you very much.